Hey, what's up everyone? There are several things in my Google News feed that I share with you all, so let's get started. Mostly regarding the weather, that's what I was going to talk about for this video. So there are several other things, some that they've got pretty accurate, other things that they haven't, but let's get started with the storms that are taking place. So we have several storms out in the ocean right now. There's several storms, I believe, out in the Atlantic Ocean, and record heat happening across the United States right now, but that record heat's going to be replaced and it's going to cool off by next week to fall-like conditions right around the time for fall. So after, I believe, Wednesday, it's going to cool down in our areas to highs in the upper 50s and 60s and lows in the 40s and 50s. So on to the storm issues. Thousands face travel chaos in the wake of Storm Ali or Ali, which has killed 2 people. So that storm taking place right now, you can see that on the Daily Mail. And the UK, I meant to report on this last week, warning ahead of time to all of you living in the UK, but I'm sorry I did not do that. But you might have seen your weather forecasts and been prepared for that. Hopefully, well, at least aware of that, and hopefully you were. So hopefully all of my viewers from the United Kingdom or anywhere in England are all doing okay. Let me know you're fine. You all are on alert over in that area with stormy Atlantic blast, bringing more downpours and gales, so gale force winds definitely expected. Unsettled weather patterns are taking place, and it fired up by a strengthening jet stream for your area. Storm Banag, it was to hit today. As of 3 hours ago, this was reported by Express.com. They've issued warnings for the brutal 65-mile-per-hour winds hitting the place. And as far as the Irish areas, Irish weather forecast, Storm Brana, officially named, or Brana, I don't know which, officially met with Irene, so with gale force winds. So they met each other. These storms kind of came together. So the UK weather forecast right now, you can expect major storms to hit the area with 65-mile-per-hour winds. More storm fears on the way. Very disturbing. Very disturbing. Disturbed after. So the UK is seeing a trail of destruction. So if you live in that area, I send prayers and love. Let me know you're doing well if you live in that area. So you can see this is the weather map shown here. So a lot of wind, a lot of rain taking place. I know I have several viewers from over there in the England area, and over in the UK. They showed some trees down, but it collapsed. So I know I also have some viewers in Australia. So if you have been going through any sort of issues, they stated fires are taking place a lot in Australia, so let me know you're all well as well. So let's see if I have any more weather news in my news feed. Severe weather is expected to happen for many places Wednesday into Thursday night in the United States. So we're expecting a lot of random weather and even possibly severe weather because of the changing in temperatures taking place. So because it's going to be a change by next week, but it's only going to be about 91 tomorrow for us here. So 97 today, 91 tomorrow, then dropping. But we could get some various severe storms tomorrow. So that's all it looks like for the weather. And so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I just wanted to give you some weather updates regarding various things taking place in the world around us weather-wise. So let me know you're doing well. Let me know you're safe. Peace and much love. Bye.